think he's trying to tickle my nose. I think he's trying to tickle my nose. You're enjoying this way too much.
This is awesome. The Cockrell Butterfly Center is one of my favorite things to do at the museum. The little exhibits before you go in are full of all kinds of creepy crawlies and fun facts and things for the kids to do where they can get kind of hands-on. When you enter the Butterfly Center, you're not allowed to touch the butterflies in any way unless they land on you. If they do land on you and you want to make them leave, it's kind of challenging without actually touching the butterfly. The Houston Museum of Natural Science has occasional free days or low price entry days. If they have an event going on, the events can preempt the low price or free entry days. If you're a veteran, you definitely want to bring proof of your veteran status. In Texas, you can get the designation added to your driver's license for a really nominal fee, and you'll save about 66% on your Houston Museum of Natural Science tickets, in addition to all the other little benefits that you get in other places. So just going to the museum alone pays for getting that added to your driver's license. If you like dinosaurs or fossils, you do not want to miss the Paleontology Hall. It was added in 2012 and it is really awesome. I'm old enough to remember what the museum was like in the late 70s and early 80s, and this was back in the day when all they had was a T-Rex skull, and they called it a Diplodocus skeleton at the time. We know it's not actually a Diplodocus, I think it's a Brachiosaur actually, I think. And that was about all they had. They had some models and a plesiosaur skeleton, and yeah, they took that and they've turned it up to 11. This is not the museum that you remember as a child if you're middle-aged. The Hall of Ancient Egypt is also a permanent exhibit like the Paleontology Hall and like the Cockrell Butterfly Center. I don't remember if entry is included, but there will be links to the museum in the description box below, so be sure and check those out. They've got a lot of really interesting ancient Egyptian art, artifacts. They've also got quite a few mummies and sarcophagi. So it's a little high on the creepy factor, but also pretty high on the cool factor. HMNS also gets a lot of traveling exhibits, so be sure and check back with them regularly. This exhibit is no longer there, or probably will no longer be there by the time this is posted, but this is just kind of an example of the kind of cool things that show up as rotating and traveling exhibits in their traveling exhibit space. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like what you saw in this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to know more about the locations in this video, be sure and check out the link in the description box below. Bye.